is a 50 from Swanage to Bournemouth, ETO to Bournemouth Square, 9:21 AM. So this morning I'm on 1711 HF09 FVS, one of the Scania N230UD Optare Olympuses, which is currently being used as a spare bus for this summer. So this stop is St Ambrose Church. Week tomorrow, the 50 will be running half hourly. From Bournemouth it will run every 1/4 and 1/4 to the hour, and from Bournemouth rail station it will run every 20 past and 10 to the hour. Oh, we've just passed Clarendon Road. The 33 will be coming down this way when it gets extended to Allenchine and Two Rivers Meat Centre. Next stop, Chinaford Road. Next stop, Admiral's Walk. Alight here for Durley Dean Hotel. Stop, West Hill Road. Alight here for Bournemouth Sands Hotel. Road. Next stop, Bournemouth Square. Alight here for Town Centre or Pier, Central Gardens and connecting bus routes. On the 13th Wimborne is 1675, HF09, CRZ. Woohoo! Here we've got HF12GWP, HJ24KDK, Whew. Oh, we've got 2271, 1781, it's HJ24 KDU. Looks like we're going to have to stop at stand Q.